Welcome to RNK Dream Homes YouTube channel. Here I am with one more beautiful west facing independent triplex house. Here is a plan. Ground floor there is a 1 BHK house along with a car parking where you can park the 2 cars and 3 to 4 bikes. From first floor it's a triplex house. In first floor you will have an open kitchen, Pooja room, spacious hall and the master bedroom, and also you will have a common bathroom as well. In second floor there are 2 bedrooms along with the family hall. In third floor there is one bedroom attached with a bathroom, and also you can see the open space as well. And rooftop they have provided the water tank, and also there is a provision provided for solar system as well. You can see the elevation of this house where they have used the design blocks for front elevation. You can see the side elevation of this house here. They have used the 3 mm laser cut sheets for safety grill. And this is the main gate. And also there is a balcony is provided in first floor hall area. There is a borewell provided in this house, and also you can see the parking area. Where you can park 2 cars. The speciality of this house is all around they have provided the passage. You can see the right side passage here. Now let's move on to a ground floor 1 BHK house. So there is other speciality of this house is they have provided the lift for this house. You can see the lift provision here. So let's enter into a ground floor 1 BHK house. This is the hall area, and you can see the right side that's open kitchen again. And this is a puja room. This is of 6 feet width, and it's a very spacious puja room in ground floor. They have cladded the white tiles for the walls, and also they have provided the golden borders as well. This is the open kitchen. And also there is a utility in this kitchen. This will be your utility area. It's again passage from the back side. And also, as I mentioned, all the around they have provided the space for passage. You can see the passage from here. This is the hall area in ground floor 1 BHK house. And there is a common bathroom in this house. The walls are cladded with the tiles. You can see the very good lighting and ventilation for this house. And this is the bedroom. You can see the bedroom laminated door. Again, for this bedroom they have provided the two windows. This is the main door of this ground floor 1 BHK house. Let's move on to first floor. Again, for stairs they use the granite, and also they have provided the 40 mm thickness. These are the design blocks which I was mentioning earlier, which they use for front elevation, and these are the safety grills. You can see for all the staircase they use the 40 mm thickness. So whatever I was mentioning about 3 mm laser cutting sheets, you can see here it's nearby lift area. And this is the entry to a first floor triplex house. The main frame are made of teak wood, and also they use the 15 mm tiles here. It's a 4x8 tiles. This is the open kitchen area where you can see a big kitchen area here. Again, as I was mentioning, this house is built with all the Vastu consideration. Here you can see the one more specialty of this house is like this is a puja room in first floor. It's again spacious, width of 6 feet, and also they have provided the skylight for this puja room. You can see the skylight. Again, they use the design blocks on the rooftop. This is a very unique design. We rarely see in the puja room. As I was mentioning about a Vastu, you can see the step here where kitchen and puja rooms are on the lower steps, and the hall and the master bedrooms are on the higher step. Now you can see the main door. It's made of teak wood. Main door frames and main doors are made of teak wood. This is a very nice design. Now let's see the master bedroom. This is a laminated door provided for the bedroom. Again, here they have provided the two windows. Again, all these are by considering all Vastu, they have placed based on the Vastu consideration. This is a laminated door for this bedroom. There is a common bathroom in this first floor. You can see the common bathroom. All the walls are cladded with tiles. Again, laminated door for common bathroom. This is again main door area. You can see the outside safety grill. Now let's see the balcony. Balcony is provided to this hall. You can see the laminated door for this balcony. And it's almost about 3 feet space is available in the balcony, and also they are going to provide the unique window here. Let's move on to second floor. Again for stairs they use the granite. All the way they use the 40 thickness. You can see the safety grill here, and also there is going to be a UPVC window for this grill area. You can see the 40 granite for stairs. On the left side you are seeing the 3 laser cutting sheets for safety grill purpose, and on the right side you are seeing the lift area. Walls are cladded with the tiles and they have provided the borders, and also for main door of lift they have provided the granite borders. And this is the family hall, and let's enter into a master bedroom here. Again you have a laminated door for this master bedroom. So this master bedroom is about 12 feet 12 by 20 feet. The size of this bedroom is 12 by 20. It's a very spacious, and they have provided the two windows for this bedroom. Let me show you the windows here. You can see the windows and it's very spacious. Speciality of this house is like this is a cloudy season now, and still you see the lot of lightning and ventilation for this house. That is how the design is made to ensure a proper lighting and for ventilation. Here you can see attached bathroom. Again in front of that there is a lot of space provided, almost 8 feet, that can be used for dressing purpose. This is attached bathroom. It's going to be a western bathroom where you can see the walls are cladded with the tiles, decent tiles, and laminated doors are provided for this bathroom as well. Let's enter into other bedroom. So you can see the window here on the front, and also there is a skylight area where I was showing it in the Pooja room, right? That's a skylight from here. You can see the design blocks from the rooftop. Again there is a attached bathroom for this bedroom as well. You can see the bathroom walls are cladded with the tiles, and again laminated door is provided. Overall, if I say like speciality of this house is like one is there is a borewell provided, and they are providing the lift, and in front elevation as they use the designed blocks which looks very nice, and also they use the 3 laser cutting sheets. The design looks very nice, and also it is used for safety purpose. And if you see the lighting and ventilation, it is designed in a such a way like you'll get sufficient lighting and ventilation for this house. Again, you can see the safety grill and the lift in the third floor. This is a bedroom in third floor where you can see the laminate door. Again, they have provided the two windows, and this is also very spacious bedroom. From first floor to third floor, they use the same tiles, 15 tiles, 4 by 8 15 tiles. And there is an attached bathroom for this bedroom. You can see the bathroom, laminated door, and the walls are cladded with the tiles. This house is located in Laxmipura near Abigere, 8 km from Peenya metro station, and also about 8 km from Nagasandra metro station as well. So this is a DC conversion land, and also they have the approved plan for this house construction. If anyone is looking for a independent triplex house, can contact on the number which is shown in this video. You can see the rooftop. This is an open space here. Also, you can see the surrounded area. That's a layout, or you can also see the flats nearby. This house is located in a very good residential area. You can see the surrounding area. This is just for your information. This is a skylight which I was mentioning earlier. This skylight is used for puja room. From here, the light directly goes to a puja room. So this is all about independent west-facing triplex house. If anyone is looking for independent triplex house, can contact on the number which is shown in this video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.